Ever stared at your investment account, overflowing with possibility, but limited by that pesky zero balance? You're not alone. Funding your investment journey can feel daunting, but fear not, fellow financial warriors. Today, we're cracking the code on depositing money into Wealthsimple. Building context, 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Wealthsimple has become a popular platform for Canadians to dive into the world of investing. Whether you're a seasoned stock picker or a curious newbie, Wealthsimple offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of investment options. But before you can unleash your inner Warren Buffett, you need to get some cash flowing into that account. Introducing funding methods, 1 to 130. The good news? Wealthsimple boasts a buffet, pun intended, of funding methods to suit your style. Today, we'll explore the most common ways to turn your investment dreams into reality. Funding Method 1, Direct Deposit, Set It and Forget It, 130 to 230. Imagine this: every payday, a portion of your paycheck seamlessly streams into your Wealthsimple account, effortlessly fueling your portfolio growth. That's the magic of direct deposit. Here's how to set it up. Log into your Wealthsimple app. Navigate to the Move tab and select Deposit. Choose Add Funds and pick the account you want to deposit into. Select Direct Deposit Info, or set up direct deposit if it's your first time. Voila! You'll see your Wealthsimple account information, including institution number, transit number, and account number. Copy this info. Pro tip: 2:30 to 2:45 contact your bank to confirm the exact steps for setting up a direct deposit to an investment account. Funding Method 2, Interac e-Transfer, zap it there. 2:45 to 3:30. Need a faster way to get your funds flowing? Interac e-Transfer to the rescue. This method lets you instantly transfer money from your bank account to Wealthsimple. Here's the drill. Log into your Wealthsimple app and head to the Move tab. Select Deposit and then Add Funds. Choose the account you want to deposit into and tap Next. Select the Interac e-Transfer option and enter your desired deposit amount. Review the details and submit your request. Remember, 3:30 to 3:45 you'll need to have your bank account pre-registered for Interac e-Transfer to use this method. Funding Method 3, Linked Visa/MasterCard Debit Top-Up on the Go, 3:45 to 4:30. For those who crave instant gratification, and who doesn't, linking your Visa or MasterCard debit card to Wealthsimple allows for on-the-spot deposits. Here's how to unlock this speedy option. Log into your Wealthsimple app and navigate to Move. Select Deposit followed by Add Funds. Choose your desired deposit account and tap Next. Select Link Debit Card and follow the prompts to link your card. Once linked, enter your deposit amount and submit. Funding Method 4, the classic bank transfer, tried and true, 4:30 to 5:15. This method might not be the flashiest, but it's a reliable way to move funds from your bank account to Wealthsimple. Here's a quick rundown. Log into your Wealthsimple account on your computer. Select Move from the top menu bar and choose Add Money. Pick the account you want to deposit into and click Next. In the From field, select the bank account you want to transfer funds from. Enter your desired deposit amount and choose a schedule, one-time or recurring. Select a transfer date, review the details, and submit your deposit request. Bonus round, transferring from another institution, 5:15 to 5:45. Have an existing investment account with another provider? You can bring the party to Wealthsimple by transferring those holdings. The process typically involves contacting your current provider and initiating a transfer. Remember, this might take